Don't worry about calling me. How do you know my mother? And I got DEA, ACF, and feds on the way looking for this number, looking it up.
Told you not to call here. It's not for sale. Quit texting me and aggravate.
I'll tell you what, man. I love wholesaling. I love it because, with so much going on in, this business, there's never a dull moment, man. You have all types of characters that, contact you. Like, I'll give you an example. This guy right here. This guy decided to text me at like 11:17 at night. Nobody's responding to text messages that late. And then he decided to call as well. He called at 11 o'clock at night. All because he asked me, well, what's your name and are you looking to rent? And I was like, oh, I'm not looking to rent, but I was wondering if you're interested in selling. Then he says, not selling the property, hope you find something. I was like, oh, okay, have a good day. And then he asked me, how did you get this number? So I told him how I got it. That was it. And then all of a sudden he calls me. I want you guys to listen to this call because this is hilarious, man. So this has to be one of the funniest calls I've gotten in a while. So this guy, clearly he's drunk. So
don't worry about calling me. How do you know my mother? And I got DEA, ACF, and feds on the way looking for this number, looking it up. If you ever in your life, ever, I'm in town, dude. I don't know who you are, but your ass is about to get busted. Nathan's in town. Don't you mess with me, man. Nor my family, because I ain't scared, and you're done. Sayonara.
Clearly, this guy has some serious problems going on. But I thought that was hilarious, man. This whole wholesale thing, you always have some funny characters that contact you, that get upset, whatever the reason might be. Clearly, that guy was drunk and decided to, drunk call me at 11 o'clock at night, hoping somebody would pick up. But so today is Friday. I don't have any text messages going out. I probably have some people responding because that's what happens. We sent out a lot of text messages this week. Just to give you an idea, I'm gonna pull it up here. So for this week, we sent out 2, 4, 6. So we sent out about 7,500 text messages for this week. Total amount of replies, we got I think about 2,000 replies roughly. It was about 500 a day that we were getting back. Pretty good, 7,500 text messages outgoing, 2,000 incoming, 2,500 incoming roughly. No, it's 2,000 incoming because it's 4 days. Today is gonna be kind of like, a slow day. I have some appointments that I'm gonna go on later on. And then we have a bunch of follow-ups that we're gonna do. These guys, basically they take Friday to play catch up. We gotta hit the follow-ups. No more lead generation for today. Just mostly hitting follow-ups, answering the phones when people call. Things like that. I like to kind of take it easy on Friday because we've been at it for 4 days straight. Nothing but marketing every single solitary day. We need that moment of calm before we get restarted for next week. I don't really believe in working on Friday like a dog and then having Saturday and Sunday off. It's kind of like Friday is a transition from, all right, everything's being paced. We're slowing down. And then Saturday and Sunday we can take to really, truly relax. Now, I'm not saying that these guys don't work on Saturdays. I don't work on Saturdays, but, if there's an important follow-up, an important appointment, something that, we don't typically do on the weekend, I will do it just because, I want to get things done. But at the same time, I want to reserve some time to unwind and kind of, run away from, everything that we've been doing this week. It's good to clear your mind because your mental sanity, especially dealing in this type of business, you really have to clear your mind. I know some guys that like working 7 days a week. I'm not that type of guy. I like working on my business and working in my business, but at the same time, I do want some time to spend with my family. So that's why I don't really work weekends unless it's a special occasion. So today I got 2 appointments to go take a look at. We got a trailer that we're gonna buy, or we're thinking about buying. I wanna go see it today. And then a house that we're thinking about flipping. One is in Salisbury, North Carolina. The other one's in Lexington, North Carolina. So it's gonna be a pretty, interesting day as far as, those 2 appointments. We'll see how it goes. We already got one under contract. We picked up the trailer under contract, and so we picked up the trailer under contract and we have the house under contract, but now we're gonna go see it. Typically when stuff is pretty far away and we have an idea of what we can offer, we will lock it up under contract first before we go and see it, because it's a pretty long ride from here to Salisbury and an even longer ride to Lexington. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump back in the computer, see what else that we can cook up today, and see how it goes. Thank you so much for your time.
No, it's okay.
Okay. Maybe 1031, I'm sure. 1031.
Oh, 1031, yeah.
That's what I was going on this. I've actually got a couple of deals running.
Okay.
When I connected with this, better do.
So, if you don't mind me asking, what are you going to 1031 into?
Right now, I'm exploring options because I'm pooling, like I say, a couple of deals together.
Okay.
And we're looking actually at maybe some out-of-state options.
All right, so this one's gonna be a fast one, but this is where I ended my day. I'll post some pictures so you guys can see what this place looks like, and this one's not too bad either. I mean, it's gonna need quite a bit of work. This one though, one of my guys might actually take this down instead of us wholesaling it. So maybe, just maybe, we might be able to see the full transformation of what this place is really gonna look like. But I mean, other than that, man, it's been a pretty wild day. That other house that we saw, we got it under contract for 100. We were able to sell it for 115. We wholesaled it within maybe an hour of having it under contract, so that was a win. And in this one, we're gonna see what we're gonna end up doing. Gonna have some contractors come out here, give us a couple quotes. So that's it for me, guys. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go home. It's been a long day, it's been a long Friday. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy myself a little bit, and I'll catch you guys on another vlog.